we're ready to power on the SP100 automation instrument.
First, we will power on the SP100, the instrument computer, the MPE power unit, and the chiller unit. Check the gas supply for the appropriate pressure. Confirm that the MPE regulator is set between 105 and 110 psi. Open the instrument control software.
Daily maintenance of the SP100 must be performed each day the instrument is used.
From the ICS main menu, select Maintenance, Daily Maintenance, and follow the prompts. Refer to the Daily Maintenance video for a step-by-step tutorial.
We powered on the SP100 instrument, and we are ready to prepare the Proteograph assay materials.
Set the centrifuge to 4 degrees Celsius. Verify that the chiller unit is turned on and is set to 4 to 5 degrees Celsius. If plasma samples are frozen, remove them from the freezer and thaw in an ice water bath.
Next, we will remove labware from the room temperature storage box.
Place the black plate lid and trypsin lyc 8-well reservoir on ice. Check all labware for appropriate barcode labels. The peptide cleanup plate does not have a barcode label.
Next, we will remove labware and reagents from the refrigerated box.
Place the enzyme reconstitution solution on ice. Place the 5 or 6 vials of trypsin lyc protease MS grade on ice. The number of trypsin lyc vials is dependent on your Proteograph XT Assay kit version. Refer to the user guide for details. Set aside the remaining reagents at room temperature. Do not uncap the nanoparticles or controls until immediately prior to loading onto the SP100 workdeck.
We prepared the Proteograph assay materials, and we are ready to set up the method.